How to start a blog that generates passive income. Imagine waking up to a notification telling you you've earned money while you were asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? What if I told you that dream could be your reality in just a few months? Welcome to the world of blogging for passive income. Quick cut to text on screen. How to start a blog that generates passive income. But here's the catch, starting a blog isn't just about writing a few posts and waiting for the money to roll in. There's a system, a method, and today I'm going to show you how to crack the code. Stay with me to the end because I'll reveal the one thing most people miss when building their blog. And trust me, it's the difference between success and failure. Let's dive in. First things first, why do you want to start a blog? Is it for the freedom to work from anywhere? Or maybe you want to leave behind the 9-to-5 grind and create wealth on your terms? Whatever your reason, your why will be the fuel to keep you going. Let me tell you, starting a blog is one of the fastest ways to build a passive income stream, but you have to be strategic. But here's the truth. Most people fail to monetize their blogs, and it's not because they're not good writers. It's because they don't treat blogging like a business. Think about this. Every successful entrepreneur has a product to sell, and guess what? Your blog is the product. So get ready to roll up your sleeves. Blogging is a business, not a hobby. Now, let's get to the core of it. Finding that profitable niche. Stay tuned, because this is where the magic happens. Let's talk about the one thing you must get right. Picking a niche. You've heard this a million times, but hear me out. Your niche is your foundation. It's the one thing that will define whether your blog will soar or fizzle out like so many others. Choose wisely. Here's the deal. Don't just pick something you're passionate about. Pick something that people are actively searching for. A topic that has a strong demand and offers high revenue potential. But also it's important that you have some level of expertise or interest in it. Otherwise, your content will feel, well, forced. Think personal finance, health and wellness, or travel. These are great niches, but you'll want to narrow it down. Instead of fitness for example, go for something like fitness for busy professionals. A niche within a niche gives you less competition and more opportunities to attract a loyal audience. Okay, I get it. You might be thinking, but I want to blog about cats. And hey, you can just remember that's going to be a much harder sell. Unless, of course, you're ready to work your tail off. All right, you've got your niche, now it's time to build. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding genius. With platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, you can have your blog up and running in a few hours. But here's where most people drop the ball. They spend too much time on looks and not enough on functionality. Your blog needs to be user-friendly, mobile responsive, and optimized for search engines. And here's where it gets exciting. Monetizing your blog. This is what separates a hobbyist from a true entrepreneur. There are several ways to do this, but I'll highlight the top 3 that can truly scale your income. Affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and offering services. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and earn a commission. Selling digital products like ebooks or courses can generate passive income for months, even years. And services. Yes, you can offer consulting or coaching, leveraging your blog as your marketing tool. But here's the final twist. This is where most people give up. They don't understand that building a blog for passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. And that's what I'm going to talk about next. The secret to staying motivated and ensuring that your blog keeps making money while you sleep. You're going to face challenges. You'll write posts that don't get traffic. You'll try things that won't work. But here's the thing. If you push through and keep optimizing, your blog will eventually become a money-making machine. And that's what makes it worth it. The passive income, the freedom, the ability to change your life, it's all possible, but only if you stick with it. And here's the secret, consistency. The key to growing a successful blog is showing up every single day. Stay committed, refine your strategies, and never stop learning. So, if you're ready to create the life of freedom and wealth you've been dreaming about, it's time to take action. Start your blog today. Your future self will thank you. Remember, building a blog isn't easy, but the rewards are more than worth it. If you want more tips on blogging and making money online, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'll see you in the next video.